Hello everybody and welcome to Theme Park Coasting. And today we're over here at Chessington Adventures in November to experience their Zootastic weekend, which basically is Chessington Adventures without the rides and just the animals. However, it's going to be a great day today because there's still the Amazon Treatable Adventure which is open, as well as the carousel. But with me today, we've got one of Hugo Garrett.
Hello everybody.
And I'm excited to be over here at Chessington Adventures.
I remember the zoo days from last year, and if you were there, they were amazing. Because I mean, last time I went, the Gruffalo was open, but you know.
Exactly.
Who can complain? You're at a park. Every other park is closed, so you know, expecting like just a nice day. The thing I love about zoo days, it's one of those days you get to do things you don't usually do when you come to Chessington. So you know.
Yeah. So well done, Chessington, as well, for opening up. Because if this wasn't open today, we'll be at home. I would be editing our videos and we'll be doing nothing. However, it's a great day as well to see stuff you don't normally see during the term at the park, because stuff like this we probably never would do. But today we might be able to do the Yoo-Hoo and Friends experience. So that's going to be great fun. And honestly, I'm really looking forward to today. But if you guys want to come down here and want to see some Zootastic moments over here on Theme Park Coasting, make sure to hit that big red subscribe button just down there to stay up to date with all our videos across the channel, even when the park is open. So, without further ado, let's get in to the park. And to start off today, we're over here on the adventure tree. Come on guys, let's go! I don't want this really weird shower thing, that's feeling like really awkward right now.
I'm on a rhino.
Come on, boy. Yes, let's go round on the adventure tree. Woo! Yeah! And Adam, I've got to know you're looking forward to today.
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to today. I'm sure it'll be enough to do today so we get a film in. Yeah, we're just going to do what we never usually do.
Yeah, listen, we don't normally ever go to a park do rides like this. So it's really nice, like just to jump on these and enjoy them. And we'll probably go on this like another 10 times a day. So we're kind of yet having to do it, but what's better than going on this ride, honestly? Pizza pasta's apple better than that. But let's see some kicks around on the Treat of Adventure. Woo! Yeah.
I was enjoying my ride.
One ride done, 0 to go. Away. We've just finished Amazon, well not Amazon Treat of Adventure, the Adventure Tree, and that was really good. And Hugo's now looking at this little bird or something.
Oh, he's not. Hey, wait. No, okay.
Oh, Hugo, you just get away. Well done.
I didn't realise I was that scary, but
Hugo, you're not very good at animals, but you managed to tame a rhino, so I've got to say, you're pretty good.
We've got a little challenge going on, haven't we,
We
Tom?
have as well.
And do you mind if I share the challenge, or do you want to share?
You can share it, Hugo.
Right, our little challenge is we're going to ride every animal or other thing that's supposed to be on this ride. So there are 7 different ones. So there's the spinning one, there's the shell one, a giraffe, a tiger, capybara and rhino.
Very good.
We plan to go on all of the animals. Not every single car, just the animals.
Yeah, and that means 6 times we have to go on this ride for. But what else are we going to do today? 6 times we're going to do it. However, we're now going to head over towards our next thing. And just as we're heading over, I do wanted to say this is really good fun to share with us, guys, because throughout Christmas, obviously, there's not much we're going to do around here. We have got Hyde Park over at London, and next weekend we're heading over for Hugo's birthday. Yeah, we're over towards not Winter Wonderland, London to
the Merlin attractions. Although I would love to go to Winter Wonderland because it looks amazing.
Well, it's actually open on the day we go, so you remember to go in the evening as a little surprise for the viewers, as long as you click the red subscribe button down there and the bell.
As long as you click the bell, otherwise we'll chuck you into the lion enclosure.
We will.
At Chessington. We will chuck you in there unless you click the red bell. The red bell? Unless you click the bell.
I think it's a white bell. I don't know. One of those two. Whatever colour it is.
Ding-a-ling-ling-ling-ling.
You should click it. And I really want to have basketball because that's just over here on Zoo Days. To play basketball, and it costs like £3, but it's free. So we're going to go way over here and we're going to play basketball. Enjoy the clips of us shooting some hoops.
Did someone say from downtown?
Downtown, come on, here you go.
Hugo, another one. Another one, Hugo.
Player 2, your turn.
Oh.
Player 1. Player 1.
Oh.
With an amazing strike, it just hits the rim. Player 2 bounces it off. I can see that actually really good.
That's what I aim.
Every time.
Right, hello guys, I'm now taking over Theme Park hosting. Tom is now no, oh yeah, try reach it. Oh, I love being tall. But yeah, we're here at Zoo Days and I'm really enjoying myself. He's getting annoyed. But, do you want to drive the pirate cars?
Yes.
Okay, time to give my camera back. Guys, if you did miss me, please give it a like. And comment down below if Tom smells. So, there you go. Have fun.
I got it back! Yay! Everyone's so happy. Now I'm back on. Woo! Hugo's not. However, we just wasted around £100. So.
Works. Radio, Dragon Falls, and Safari.
Oh, good ones,
Not
aren't they?
Safari, Skyway, something. But yeah, but they're only £2.
So that's another 2 I was going to waste. Because how much would they have wasted on that thing, Dad?
Pardon?
How much money would you have wasted on that thing?
50 quid maybe. Not that we'd ever spend that, but...
Exactly, and what you win anyway is a load of attack anyway, so but what's the point? Hugo, what are you going to get? Come on.
Have a guess.
Oh, guys, it's going to be bubble walks.
No, actually, yeah, Bob what?
Yeah, okay.
I'm gonna guess
If it
Skyway.
is, I'd love it if it's bubble work. This is literally the one I wanted.
Here you go, is it going to be bubble works?
What is it going to be?
Hey!
Congratulations.
Well done, Hugo.
Bubble works!
You had £2 and got bubble works. Yay! Show the camera, Hugo, show the camera.
I actually love Bubble Works. Was probably one of my favourite rides.
Awesome.
But now it's with the Gruffalo. Boom!
Yeah, I got bubble works, so. No,
I'm actually happy. Probably, I wouldn't advise you to spend £2 just for the lucky dip, but you could get Rodeo. I didn't really know what that was anyway. Safari Skyway or Dragon Falls.
So, I think you got the best one of Hugo.
Actually, I could.
But do you know what's better than Hugo's pop badge? It is Captain's Fish and Chip Shop.
Honestly,
which is the
whenever
best.
you get down to Chessington, I advise you to get chips and gravy there. Oh, it's really good.
Just chip.
Yeah, it's so good, isn't it? And actually, now you've got a really good shot of Vampire from here. If you look through the trees.
Do you remember when we came here in February and Vampire was testing?
I remember that. Such good times.
This time, I think Vampire's actually going to be open after the
Yeah, exactly.
I'm not so sure about this, but Merlin did say it's going to be open, so I'm hoping it will be.
Exactly, so you never know what's happening. We're going to be going down here quite a bit. But I think there's only 2 times the Zoo Day's on, so this will be our only ever Zoo Day vlog. It's also going to be great fun. And we're now going to go into it, eat some lunch, give you a food review, and guess what we're going to go afterwards? Yeah, Adventure Tree, here to our second time.
We won't even get to go on them until March.
Everyone said it's so good.
Then what, man?
Hey, food.
Oh!
2.
Hey!
No, we can't.
Wait, is it automatically doing it?
Oh!
Oh my
Oh, it actually spins, it actually does. Oh!
I'm off.
You're dizzy?
Yeah, I'm really dizzy.
But go!
What are we doing? We're going on the same thing or?
No, change every time we change it, here you go.
Which one?
Change it.
I don't actually know, just do.
1.
Tom, what are you riding? We are going off now, setting off. This is really fun. Honestly, trust it from me, I'm having the best time of my life.
Easy! 4th go!
Yeah, 4th go.
Here we go. Tom's on the same one. I'm on a giraffe. This is great. 4th go. Best go yet.
Big on time.
This is the 5th
Go!
ride.
Hey!
Big 5, high five.
Boom. Go number 5. Let's go. Here you go. Come on. Hey. Okay, we've just done 5 rides on that attraction, and I don't think I've ever done 5 times in my life on that ride until today. So, really grateful to that, really good fun. However, there's something that's happened and my parents have found out when we've been riding it. So Dad, before you start eating, what is that thing that you found out?
Well, if you head around this way, you can walk some of the track of Safari.
Yeah.
physically walk
But
it.
most
All you have to
of
do-
you are thinking like it's a track like Rattlesnake. No, it's Jack Jafari. So basically a mud track. So here we go. This is a bit weird, isn't it, Hugo?
A little bit. Hopefully you don't summon any rhinos.
This is the actual track of Safari.
Well, no, this is up there is. But this is something that we've never done before. We've been around the theme park, adventure. We've never actually done this sort of thing before. So
Cool.
it's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah, we may see some giraffes, but they say we'll definitely see zebras, so we're expecting to see zebras.
Wow. This is cool. Do you remember, guys? If you just go look at it, you go around here, you leave from down there, and then you step on the safari, and there you go. At least it goes up to there.
It's
But
not bad though.
that's still cool. It's still cool, isn't it, you guys? Pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. So now let's go and see if we can see some giraffes.
Yeah.
Just peeking.
I can.
He's just saying, is that a theme park coasting on YouTube?
I don't believe this tunnel is 1.5 because Hugo can't really fit for it, can you?
Yes, I can.
That was actually really awesome, and I'm really happy we actually did that because that was really good fun. But it's really dark down here, and we're going to look at some meerkats, even though I can only fit above here. So, Hugo, where are you? Look at the meerkats. Oh, it's really bad glass, but you can see
Oh my
one.
god, you can actually see it.
Yeah. Hugo, can you see me? Hugo. Oh. Hello.
Let's go.
Hello there. Have you subscribed to Theme Park Coasting? Oh, you have. Oh, that's wonderful. Have you clicked that beautiful red bell? Oh, I haven't clicked the bell. I don't know what to do with myself. Oh, I'm really sad. Right, I've got to get hold of that Theme Park Coasting and click the bell. Right, let me go off and do it.
Okay, we haven't seen you for quite a while now, and since that we've done the Amazon Treetop adventure, as well as going over towards the meerkat stuff. You're looking for some clips of the animals for you guys. Of course, it can't be a zoo there about that. And you may notice Hugo's great voiceover.
I hope you enjoyed it. I guess you figured it was me by now. But whatever the animal said, I definitely take into advice. Apart from what, if you do get to listen to it, the other monkey said.
No, I don't know.
It was evil.
So I'll see how it is when I get back and start editing this. But if it's good or if it's okay, I'll still put it in because it's Hugo's fun, and we always have fun as Hugo. It's just a vlog of fun basically. So it's really hard. I don't know if you guys any of your vloggers or anything, but it's really hard to do a vlog when there's no rides because normally I'll see you on the ride and show you loads of clips. But I have to do all different stuff that I'm not used to. But yeah, here we go for go.
There's nobody on that.
Huh?
Go number.
Go number
Oh,
6.
Yeah, let's go.
Excited, guys!
Hey! Whoa! Yeah! Off we go on go number 6. On the carousel.
It's actually funny.
Quite intense, I do have to say.
It's a pretty intense ride, Hugo. Be brave. Be brave. And we've still got one more go to go until we complete every single animal or shell inside of here. And I'm going to do a nice little seat down there after this go. So wish me luck. But here we go. Round on. Go number 6. Let's go. Go number 7.
The last one!
The 7th go. Let's go. Whoa. I hope no one takes my seat.
Honestly, I've got to ride a tiger. Ah!
And I'm going to ride a seat. As long as we do it, don't do anything, a piece of fabric. But still got to do it. And when we finish, the adventure tree. Yes, the seat. We got the seat. Woo! Hey, last one. Oh, this beauty. Hi, here we go.
Say hello. Where's your mommy?
Oh, I did it. Well, there you go, mouse. Where are we going?
The petting zoo.
Donkey. Donkey. Oh, she.
Right, get your nose up. Yeah, there you go. Hello, mate. Hello. How's it going, boss?
Hello.
Tom, that's me.
Come, here we go. Photo for go. So, guys, what did we just do?
Hello. We just did the petting zoo.
And you look pretty cool, both of you, honestly. And
That really hurt my head.
we just did that in the nick of time as well, didn't we?
Yeah, we did, because they were just closing up. I got to stroke a goat, a sheep even.
And I could show both. And Adam managed to get this, which
The
is...
limited edition hot badges. There's like a ton in here. Trying to show a couple. So you've got like the UK's only wing coaster, Swarm,
Oh, best one in the UK.
that
Yeah.
one. There's like loads of different ones in here. And they're all limited editions.
Yeah, and where are they going to go? Are we going to the film costume room?
Yes, probably. They're pretty
They probably are, yes.
donated there.
Yeah, and like I said, that's what's great about Adam. He's like the nice stuff in the coasting room.
Yeah.
So you got some merch up there, and it makes it great for you guys. And it's a skunk. Hugo, it smells like you.
Thanks, Tom.
It actually stinks. That's the weird thing.
Hugo.
But anyway, we're now going to go in the shop, show you around, maybe head round the Trail of the Kings, but probably not, as the park is now closed, and see you as we leave the park.
We might make sure we get to see the otters though.
Yeah, we love the otters, don't we, Hugo?
We love the otters.
They're our favourite thing at Chessington Adventures. Well, after all rides, and maybe a few animals. But one of our favourite things. Here we are now leaving the park after an amazing zoo day. However, I am going to be quick because a little problem, I can't film too many clips of the otters. So I haven't got much storage left on my memory card. So I'm going to quickly start with the day. Adam, what do you think of your day today?
Yeah, I really enjoyed today. Zoo days this year is actually better than I thought this year. But yeah, like last year I thought I couldn't spend a whole day. This year, like I personally...
I could spend more hours, yeah.
I could spend 2 more hours here. It's really, really good. We didn't do sea life today either.
Yeah.
Really, really
we should come back.
And
However,
it's been good.
like I said, we haven't got enough time for it to come back because it is the last weekend of the zoo days and we could tomorrow, but nah. We already aren't. I'd love to, I'm not kidding, but it's kind of 2 days here. I'd rather wait a week if it was on next week. However, the Christmas event over here for Winter Trail is starting soon. And yeah, it's going to be awesome. But Hugo, what do you think of your day today?
My day, oh, honestly, considering it's a zoo day, very, very, very good. I'm very impressed, especially since, you know, the adventure tree was open, the only ride open. So I'd say, definitely, our challenge made the day a bit more interesting, and also with all the basketballs, like, this day is not a day for rides, it's just a day for good fun.
Yeah, and like I said, if you're female enthusiast, come down here, especially with a Merlin pass, as you do get it for free. Otherwise, I think it's like probably £10. But Mum and Dad, what do you think of the day?
It's nice to get some fresh air, and I enjoyed seeing the animals.
Yeah, awesome. And now the time's up. We're going to say goodbye to you guys. I've got 0 minutes left, and we're going to say goodbye from the otters. Goodbye, otters, as well as
Goodbye, Otters.
Chessington Adventures. So my name is Tom Day from Theme Park Coasting, and now I'm saying goodbye to you. Bye.
Bye!